Hey all, Will Healy here, and I'm at the Smart Manufacturing Experience, and I'm just blown away by all of the booths and the presentations focusing on data insights and then focusing on investing in technology for people. I really took that away. The keynote speaker this morning, Bob McWard, was really awesome. He's from Raytheon, and I really like this quote from Bob. He said, "Don't just automate to automate." He said, "Automate to make the operator's life better." And I really thought that was perfect. That's really what we need to focus on. And again, we heard it again. I was here to present Empowering a Cultural Revolution in the Industrial Revolution. And I talked about, what does your plant tour communicate? Are you going to invest in people? Are you investing in the company? Your plant tour is communicating that to potential hires. And you know, the diversity imperative is real. We really have to be thinking about how do we bring diversity into our organizations. And then I also talked about how do we change our business metrics from just savings-based return on investments to lifestyle and people-oriented return on investments. And then I had the pleasure to meet Dr. Drew Seuss, and he said, if you want people to care about the work, we need to show the workers we care about them and what they care about. And I thought that was great. There's so much focus now in smart manufacturing on the people, and I really agree with this, right? People, process, product, in that order is the way that we're going to succeed at this. And the focus on people-oriented technology was really obvious. I got to do some cool demos today. The team at Tulip gave me an excellent instruction. They have a cool digital work instruction platform that enables the frontline workers and really makes it powerful and gives operator guidance and then even feedback through the cameras and the detection of locations. They have this cool system for building basically PowerPoint style the work instructions. Then I got to go to the SME Tooling U. They had a virtual reality training booth. Full virtual reality. I've never done this before, but it was amazing. This is legit. Virtual reality training I thought was kind of a gimmick, but it's real. I took the 5S training. It took me about 15 minutes and taught me all the aspects of 5S all virtually, and it was really impressive. You know, this kind of virtual training, you know, boosts the scalability of the training. 5S is a little hard to teach in real life. I did real applications with the virtual, and then it boosts retention and competency at the skills that we're learning virtually, and I thought that was really cool. Virtual reality training. I'd never done that before, but it was really powerful. And then the third one that I was able to test myself was Cognitive Spark. Cognitive Spark has this mixed reality, augmented reality using the Microsoft HoloLens to do remote support and allow someone to connect with you. This is like a Teams call on steroids or a FaceTime call on steroids. I mean, don't just send pictures back and forth or, you know, random text messages. You can get on a call with someone and you can really have this interactive, augmented reality, mixed reality experience. You could drop documents in there and 3D models, and I just thought it was really cool. The way it empowers employees, it empowers your maintenance people, it empowers your techs and even your operators, and really speeds up those repairs and reduces support costs. And I just thought that was so cool. So it was cool to see so much focus on the worker here and on even the data to help us do better, making what we're trying to make. And this was just a great day at the Smart Manufacturing Experience. I really appreciate the invite, Carl, and I really appreciate you inviting me to speak. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?